are going to Elbow Falls, and it's still 51 kilometers going there. Like, have you guys seen our camping vlogs? I'm sure you did. How did you like it? And the weather in Bragg Creek will be 22 degrees. And we're gonna arrive there at 12:37 p.m. And it's not really hot right now. It's maybe 23 degrees. And we're doing nothing and just doing we were just driving, and we went to McDonald's to pee.
Good morning, guys! Papunta tayo sa Elbow Falls. Sinabi na nga ni Kian, first time namin mapabanda sa may Bragg Creek. So, explore natin yung area. Ano lang, from kung saan kami galing, 1 hour and 6 minutes.
Yeah.
Sama na kayo sa kwento namin, halina't sumabay. Mula Winnipeg hanggang Calgary, bawat araw may bagong story. Kasama ang saya, tawanan at ngiti, buhay Canada ating ibahagi. Kahit saan man tayo mapunta, basta't magkakasama, saya. Mga pangarap unti-unting naaabot, sa bawat hakbang tuloy ang ikot. Ivan at Kei, tara sama-sama, buhay Canada ating pagkwentuhan. Sa hirap at saya, laging magkakasama. Ivan at Kei, pamilya ang bida.
Dito na kami, nag-washroom break
175
lang.
Square kilometers. Daddy,
Nakapark
hi,
kami sa
guys.
shade.
We are here now.
Dami rin tao ngayon. May naririnig na kami dun eh. Baka napakalapit lang. Buti medyo may silong naman dito sa lakaran natin. Hindi ko alam ilang minutes away. But, i-time ko nga. 12:49. Nag-washroom pa kasi kami. Naririnig mo na nga yung daloy ng tubig dito eh. Malakas. Yan na ba yun? Di pa. Parang. Ang sarap dito sa shade. Didig mo. Yeah. Unang beses lang natin dito. Wow. Ganda. Oo nga.
Go down.
Gusto niyang gayahin sila nasa baba. Ganda ng kulay ng tubig. Ganda. Blue na blue eh. Ang clear. Pumunta si Naiban sa baba. Ayun sila. Puntahan ko sila mamaya.
Maganda pala dito. Oh yeah. What's that? Spring? Ganda.
Malayo pa rin tayo from here.
Yes. Doon, kita mo yung falls doon. Can you climb? Or go to the side?
Let's go up there, look.
We're gonna go so we can see the falls there.
Napakaganda guys ng falls.
Yeah! Big falls! There are big falls.
Punta tayo dun sa isang angle. Madulas lang Hana, ingat ka.
Sira na yung chinelos.
Watch your steps, ha? Watch your steps.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, I see. Yung palahan. Yeah.
Over there.
We're going there.
So that it feels like you're taking a bath.
Ah. Oh, nice.
It's gonna feel like you're taking a bath.
Yeah.
Delikado yun. Yeah. Ganda ha, no?
We're gonna go there.
Okay, watch your steps, sir. Ayan na ha. Yung falls. Hindi masyadong kita pa. Ayun nga yung kuwebahan. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ganda pala dito.
Ito, ako nasa
Ayan. Ganda. Sige, muna tayo dyan.
Mommy not turning around.
Ito, may shade oh. Tambay mo na oh.
Tambay muna dito. Wait.
We're gonna go to the shade first. Okay, you wanna read that one? Okay.
You wanna read it?
Yes. Oh, read mo loud.
But I'm shy.
No, it's okay.
You can.
You can. You don't have to. We don't care about what other people will say about us.
You have to read it.
You just read. If you want to read, read.
Feel free to read it.
I've read it other stuff.
I know, right? Are you gonna read? Though.
I'm gonna sit. Daddy, there's a queen ant. Look, it's a queen ant.
I know. It's
Mommy,
okay,
look!
right?
Look, there's a queen ant.
Oh,
Look.
yes, it's a big one.
Yeah. Ganda ha.
Yung iba, bumababa doon. Pero, nakakatakot pag nadulas ka, isang maling apak mo. Good luck. Kasi mas kita nila doon, yung daloy ng tubig ng hand ko. Gumanda, nawala yung araw. Ganda ng falls na to, ang linaw ng tubig.
Mommy. Mommy.
Han,
Very nice.
Hi guys, this is not the top yet. We're even more steps to go.
yeah. But you can see the falls clearly
Yeah.
from here.
Or We're 120 meters above the ground.
We're too high, hey?
Or, yeah. Or 130.
Tambay lang ng konti, buti may shade. Ayan. Makiat kami ng konti. Ayun. Ganda ng falls eh. May ano lang pala dito guys, may day pass na kailangan mong bayaran. Actually, walang signal. So, hindi kami nakapagbayad. Hindi namin expect kasi na Kananaskis pa rin pala to. Akala ko Bragg Creek. Now we know. So, ang ginawa namin, ni-reverse namin yung parking. Hopefully, walang mag-check. We will see. Next time, alam na namin. Tignan namin magkano yung yearly pass. Yeah, next time, tignan namin magkano yung yearly pass. Balak namin next year, ito yung i-explore natin, yung Kananaskis area.
Feet above the ground. Or 340 feet above the ground.
Nag-i-emote ka yata dyan, Han ko. Malayo ang tingin.
Sobrang tagal na itong ilog na to, daang libo. Nahukay siya, di ba?
Anong yung binasa ba niya ni Kian doon?
Parang yun lang.
I'm lily pad. Let's play.
Ganda. Yun. Itong daan dito na to.
Meron doon. Ayun, oh.
May hiking pa doon. All the way up there. Doon, may mga tao banda doon.
Ang dulas mo doon.
Kaya nga. Steep masyado. No? Steep rock. Pahinga lang kami dito. Buti nga, nagka-shade. So, may mga pahingahan naman na upuan dito. Ito, mga to. Dito ako.
Mommy, sit here.
No, that's dirty. Punta daw din sila doon.
Daddy.
Sa dulo. Ingat kayo, Hana. Hawakan mo mabuti yan. Kian, just hold on to daddy, please. Watch your steps. Careful. Ang dalawang to, eh. Kuhanan ko nga sila from the top. Kuhanan ko sila from this angle. Ayun sila.
Sama na kayo sa kwento namin. Halina't sumabay. Mula Winnipeg hanggang Calgary, bawat araw may bagong story. Kasama ang saya, tawanan at ngiti. Buhay Canada, ating ibahagi.
Kahit saan man tayo mapunta, basta't magkakasama masaya.
Mga pangarap unti-unting naaabot. Sa bawat hakbang, tuloy ang ikot. Kay iba na kay, tara sama-sama. Buhay ka
Ito na yung small town nila dito.
Yeah.
Mga bilihan.
Yeah.
Ito lang na.
Are you gonna do anything here?
We're just gonna walk around because you want to add the steps, right? Di ba ba?
Videohan ko lang yung mga store. Pakita ko sa inyo. Cute. Lumang style yung mga tindahan nila. Yun yung Canada Post to. Sakto, may ano sila ngayon. Farmers market hanggang alas 3.
Dito ba?
Somewhere here, ano? Lakad-lakad lang gusto. Oo. Gusto lang namin makita. Cute nga. Wala yung farmer's market.
Yeah. No farmers market here.
Baka hindi dito pala. Oo.
Because we said the arrow.
Oh, yeah. Lilipat pa dun. No? Ikaw ba? Doon pa pala.
Hi guys. This is a face dryer.
Dryer.
And this is a sunflower. Hi guys. I saw a dog in the car.
Mm-hmm. Cute, oh.
And there's even ice cream. There's that.
Yeah.
There's
Ice cream place. Ba, may mga... dito sila bumibili kanina. Ice cream heaven. Kakaiba, no? It's cute.
Mommy, look how much steps is there.
Ang daming kumakain sa restaurant na to. Anong pangalan? Bistro. Cute, oh.
You wanna go to the step there?
It.
That's so cute.
That's so cute. Yeah, it's just a fake. Oh, galing. But it's reusable. Put it back properly. Dito made, oh. Made in. Ang cute naman dito. Sige.
Dad jokes are how I roll.
Mommy, look.
Up on garden to.
Hey, look.
Oh yeah, sport
Daddy,
outside,
look.
right?
Well, look, what's this?
That's the temperature. No,
What
I mean no. Weather. Oh, to measure the rain. See? Confucius. General store.
We bought some ice cream just for me.
What flavor?
Don't tilt, it might fall, ah. Careful.
Caramel crunch.
Caramel crunch.
Don't tilt it, ala. It's gonna fall. Pasok tayo dun sa bakery.
And it's called the Black Creek Bakery.
Yeah.
Mommy, that store is closed on Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Yes. Pumasok kami sa loob. Ito siya sa loob. Yan natin yung mga tinapay. Ayan.
Hi guys. They got shoes to make plants.
Made them as a vase. Cute, di ba? Hindi mo kasi mabibidyohan kanina, di ba? Dahil naglalakad ka.
And one more thing, guys. Time check, 5:24 p.m. in the noon.
Ayun guys, di na pala ako nakapag-vlog. Kumain muna kami sa labas kasi sobrang starving na kami. Ayun, salamat sa panonood sa vlog namin today. We'll see you on our next one. Bye!